and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. So it was a surprising rally today with the benchmark indices scaling up more than 2% on positive macro data. Now, with gold and crude prices falling, there is some respite expected to the troublesome current account deficit that India is struggling with. At the same time, the WPI inflation number, which came in below 6%, might have raised hopes that there could be a rate cut sooner than later. So all this is playing into the markets, and the BSE Sensex closed near the day's high at 18,745. The Nifty closed at 5689. It was really about large caps today, as the BSE mid-cap index was up only around 0.86%. If you look at sectoral indices, there as well the sentiment plays out well. So the Bankex was the biggest gainer, up around 2.94%. Another rate-sensitive segment, the BSE Auto Index and Capital Goods Index, both were up around 2.5%. The only decline came from the IT segment. So the BSE IT Index was down around 0.5%, and that too mainly because of Infosys, which fell around 1.7%. And is continuing to react to the disappointing set of Q4 numbers. Among mid-cap stocks, with gold prices falling, the gold loan companies and jewelry companies have been correcting in trade. Today as well, gold loan companies Manappuram and Muthoot Finance were both down nearly 10%. Jewelry companies, on the other hand, have taken a break. So Titan Industries was actually up around 2.5%, and other stocks like PC Jewelers, Tara Jewelers and TBZ were all up anywhere between 0.5 to 1%. Again, in the mid-cap segment, banking stocks saw quite a rally. So banks like Oriental Bank of Commerce was up around 5.6%, Union Bank was up around 3.8%, and Dena Bank gained around 3% today. Another segment which saw a lot of gains were the Reliance ADAG group stocks. All the stocks in that group were up anywhere more than 2 to 3%. Some of the big gainers, Reliance Communications was up around 6.5%, Reliance Power was up around 5.5%, and Reliance Media Works gained around 5%. Coming back to the large caps, among Sensex, there was very few declining stocks. So other than Infosys, Sterlite Industries was down around 1.3%. On the gaining side, autos took the lead. So Maruti was up around 4.2%, M&M gained around 4%, and there was ONGC and HDFC Limited, both were up around 3.9%. Market participants are also positive because today's rally has come when global markets have been declining. At the same time, we have index heavyweight Reliance Industries, which declared results after market hours. So there will be a little bit of a wait and watch to see how it impacts markets tomorrow. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.